Welcome to everybody. In this mini eye training course, you can learn the most helpful eye exercises and relaxation techniques to improve your vision naturally. The main cause of eye problems is eye strain. It is 100% logical step to give your eyes proper rest and learn relaxation methods to relieve eye strain. The next step naturally improve vision is to perform eye exercises for light stretching to eliminate accommodative spasms and see better than before. This free eyesight improvement course is equipped with two working 100% relaxation methods that I personally use to relieve eye strain and improve my vision naturally. Meditation to relax facial muscles can help you to control the relaxation of the eye muscles and muscles of your face. Learning these skills is super important for natural eyesight improvement. The next skill to get better vision naturally is dynamic relaxation. It is a pleasurable state of relaxation to be in. It helps to relax your psyche and relieve eye fatigue from your eyes and your body naturally without any pills. If you will understand how dynamic relaxation works, you will be able to relieve eye strain very fast and easily. Dynamic relaxation is a basis for any eye exercises because it helps you to reach dynamic relaxing movements of your body so you can perform dynamic eye movement with your eyes correctly and without tension. The link for the dynamic relaxation techniques will be in the description. If you want a more comprehensive online course with much more eye exercises and relaxation techniques, enroll in Eyesight Improvement course Eyesight Academy to learn the best eye exercises and get better vision naturally. Our Eyesight Improvement online program is designed to help you regain your natural eye muscle flexibility and better vision without surgery through a series of easy to follow exercises and techniques. We can help you improve your eyesight and enhance your visual perception.